Hi everyone. I had the sudden urge to do a random fidget showing something. I don't know. Because me and my cousin fidget traded yesterday. And I'm going to show you everything. So first, I got this dumpling. You can guess what color. I'm not going to show you till the end. And I got this other dumpling. Miniature. You can guess what color it is. I'm not showing till the end. I got these two fake Nitas. Oop! Don't mind my camera. These two fake Nitas. There's hair all over it. She fidget traded me. I love these. I love the texture of them. Anyway, this one, my cousin just gave me. My other cousin. I have two cousins. Because she wanted me to have my first squishy. And I've never had an actual squishy before. Just so sad. And then I got these two tabas. Cat and a strawberry. I already played with them earlier. And I got this water slime. There's supposed to be an alien, but she lost the alien. It looks pink on my screen because of my colors. And then I already have this one. It's from Sydney Morgan. I love her. Yeah. Axolotl. My sister has the glossy one, but she doesn't play with it, so I want to steal it. But anyway. Now it is cut to the end, and I'm going to show you what colors. And if you cheat, that's not fair. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! A purple dumpling. I like the texture. Okay. Next one is a, oh, ta-da! Blue clear dumpling. My cousin said it might pop because there's like bubbles. And my other one that my cousin has is like better and doesn't have bubbles. But anyway,